Hello everyone and welcome to Haplast DSC. Today I'm standing here in front of Haplast office building located in Nguyễn Văn Cư Street, Long Biên District, Hanoi. I am so excited to take you to one of our factories in Hưng Yên province, which is only about 40 kilometers away from here. Let's go! I am in Hưng Yên province right now, and as you can see, the traffic flow here is quite smooth. And Haplast factory is located at one of the most convenient places in Hưng Yên. Let's head to our factory and see what we have inside. Haplast is the leading manufacturer of plastic bags and eco-friendly packaging solutions in Vietnam, with nearly 20 years of experience in the field. We have two modern factories located in Hưng Yên, Vietnam, and in January 2022, we reached over 54,000 tons for the two factories, and in 2023, our products have been exported to more than 80 countries all over the world. Our first factory was established in August 2016 with an area of 15,000 meters square and over 250 employees. In January 2022, we reached over 18,000 tons for the first factory. The main products produced here are t-shirt bags and flat bags on a roll with core or coreless, flat loose bags, luxury shopping bags, laundry bags, PE gloves, and garbage bags like C4, Star Seal, or Escort. Our products meet strict quality standards including ISO 9001. In 2015, we have BSCI and the BRC European standard. The factory is equipped with modern machines, including 32 extruders, 20 printers, 58 cutting machines for different types of bags, and another 30 auxiliary machines. Here I'm standing in the warehouse where complete products are packaged properly and neatly, waiting to be delivered to our customers. So that's good for today. I'll introduce more details about the manufacturing process of plastic bags here. See you in the next video and thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.